Hi, best friends. Welcome back to the alphabet, the letter H this time. And this is a series where I'm showing you, I'm giving it to you. It's a gift. Take it. Of books and animals and foods that all start with the letter H. And I'm going to take you through the whole alphabet. And at the bottom of this video, you'll find a link for the PDF so you can print it out or just paste and copy or copy and paste. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Again, my technology use is really limited, so we're using Zoom and it takes a minute. Here we are. All right, so first we have animals, we have the place, and we have the type of animal. And for letter H, we have two and a smidgen of pages. And now onto our books. We have hermit crabs and dogs, hickory dickory dock, hide and seek, how to be a pirate, hungry hens, hungry things. Oh, I'm hungry. It's pretty early in the morning for me. All right, and then we have the crafts to go with the books. Then we have foods about where it's from and what kind of food or drink it is. And this is a great thing to try new foods or share new foods with people. Here are places. And then to our favorite part, the recipes. So again, these go with our crafts and our books to have a very seamless lesson. And then we have Hickory Dickory Dock, hide and seek at the ocean. Again, all of these are super easy. As before, I usually find the pictures, make the recipe myself. This one I did not. It was just too complicated and it's so cute. So I just took theirs. So thank you very much for this is for the homemade Rice Krispies treats. But everything else, I kind of told you what to do. So thank you for the Rice Krispies recipe. Then we have our shapes and all of our songs. Now, I will tell you, Herman the Worm, this will get stuck in your head, and I'm sorry, not sorry. It's so good. All right, that is it for our letter H for today. I hope you all had a helping, heaping time of fun. I don't know, I'm not great with the puns all the time. So come back for our next letter and don't forget to like and share and please follow me and come back for some more. Toodaloo!